Hey guys, Wolverine Gaming this side. To play this difficult level, go to profile, then go to settings, then go to general settings, and make sure your graphics quality is at a high, not medium or not low, and make sure your power saving mode is also off. Okay, so now follow as I do in these videos, and following the steps you can complete level 42. So first make sure you go to the right and get as many as bullets hit to these multipliers, and then get the AKM as well and move left and kill those two zombies, and then get all of the zombies by just staying at middle, and then get again a double AKM and stay at the left. Don't go anywhere, don't get any other than the two AKMs, and stay just at the center and move left and right to kill all those zombies. Make sure you first prioritize your attacks on the mega zombies so they don't harm you. And as you can see, we are now very close to kill all these zombies and the mission is completed. You can also complete your mission by playing like this. All the best guys.